Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive and share the link. Let's get into it. First, open your digital storage. The first step is to go to the place where all your online files are kept. You need to be logged in so the computer knows these files belong to you. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Look for the big button on the left side that has a plus sign and says New. This New button is the main door you use to add anything to your collection. It prepares the computer to receive your files. Next, choose your file to upload. You need to find the specific photo or document on your computer that you want to move onto the internet. Click on File Upload from the list that appears. Look through the folders on your computer, click on your file, and hit the Open button for the version of your document. By picking the file yourself, you make sure the right information is being saved. You will see a small box at the bottom of the screen telling you when your upload is finished. Next, open the sharing choices. Now that your file is safely online, you need to find the settings that let other people look at it. Find your file in the list, right-click on it, or click the three small dots and select the word Share. A new window will pop up in the middle of your screen. By default, your files are private and only you can see them. Opening this menu is the only way to give your project permission to be seen by others. Lastly, create and copy the link. The final step is to change the rules so anyone with the link can open the file, and then copy that link so you can send it in a message. Look under the section that says General Access and change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Click the button that says Copy Link and then hit Done. Now that the link is copied, you can paste it into an email or a chat. Now your file is shared and you are ready to show your work to the world. And that's it. To save and share files, click the New button, choose your file to upload, open the Share menu, and copy the link for anyone to see. This straightforward plan makes sure your files are safe and easy to send. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.